What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Y'all already know how this thing finna go. We got our little SCR over here in the cut, and he ready to go. Featuring the Max, 6-speed Max. And today is the Euro Wars over here in Orlando, and I'm finna go hunting. That's just as simple as it can get right there. I actually just had to put a new alternator in this thing yesterday. Alternator went on it yesterday, so I got a new alternator in it. Oil change done, fluids topped off, everything bled, and yeah, he ready to go. So we're gonna get y'all a little cold start real quick. Today's a nice little cloudy day. Shouldn't be too hot. Let me get y'all a little cold start. I'm gonna get y'all an open hood cold start this time. This shit is not gonna want to start up in the cold like this because it's pretty cool out here. So you ain't used to the cold weather like that. Up now, I'm gonna hop in and get to rolled and reeling that shit in. Yeah, he's so lucky he didn't give me no 1, 2, 3 and he just took off. Appreciate it. Shit ugly. Get down like that. Waited for your ass. Oh, came and got your ass. I wasn't gonna bother you, but then you start playing that crazy game. Alright. I'm trying to get a little M2 or some shit. I mean, I might be biting off more than I can chew, but shit, it's some way to find out. Shit just got hunted down. got straight to it too. It wasn't even no talking, wasn't no looking, wasn't none of that shit. Just straight to business. I fought with that right there. Bikes and shit, man. Come on, bro. Really out here like that? And she called me out too. She lucky I had to slam on brakes. Oh yeah. These niggas scared, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, put me in the middle. I ain't scared to get in the middle of y'all niggas. I ain't standing down. One of y'all, I fuck up the M5 here, the M5 there, the M3 back there, nigga. Everybody can give it up right now. What's up with it? Show me. All that noise don't mean shit to me. I'm with all the smoke. Giving a little VQ hell tonight. All these niggas just turned off. Lame. Honestly, I feel like all them Bimmer niggas that I just got in the middle of, all them niggas pussy as hell. Because there's no way that some off-brand whatever gonna come in the middle of us, our six-way lineup, jump in the middle of us, toy with us, and somebody ain't finna try him out. Ain't nobody gonna come disrespect our group like that. If that was me with Terrence and whoever else we hanging with, and some Beamer just come pulled up in the middle of us trying to play and we finna go here, fuck that, y'all got it. I'm finna handle this nigga real quick. Come back, nigga, come on. What's up, IS? I don't want that. Alright, y'all, so they made it back to the crib. It's so dark now, but I ain't trying to end the video tomorrow. Car sitting right here. We done put them all the way back up on the garage. And yeah, we had a great night tonight. This thing put in some work. But anyways, it's freezing cold out here. And I'm ready to go in the house. So make sure y'all like and subscribe. Comment on the video what y'all want to see next. Man, it's really dark out here. I can't see nothing. Anyways, this video spoke for itself for the most part. I think the car did great tonight, especially for it being turned down a whole lot. Still did great, handle business, beat up on a bike. Like, what more can you ask for from the car? With that being said, appreciate y'all for watching. And we're gonna see y'all on the next one. We got a lot more content like that coming up real soon.